doing it Thursday, April 8th, 2010. I'm Molly and this is Rocket Boom. Well, it's come time again to replace the controller. It was a great controller. It still is a great controller, but now is a time of new. The Commodore 64. I decided to give it another try. That's because Commodore is apparently reintroducing the Commodore 64 this year, so to speak. Someone has put together an all-in-one home computer with the typical specs you expect in today's new consumer desktops, and then licensed out the Commodore 64 name to help market the otherwise plain PC. But will it blend? That has been the question asked in 95 videos to date, with 100 million views in all. And with the answer always being yes, you can safely bet that yes, it can blend an iPad too. But how many blenders have they sold as a result of this campaign? I called the Blendtec offices to find out.
Hello?
But they had no comment at the time this story went to press. In a bizarre twist where like geek culture and superstar reality meet, a search for Commodore 64 on eBay sorted by highest price first leads to a pair of Oliver Peoples Commodore 64 gold olive grand sunglasses worn by Angelina Jolie for $179.99. It's all about ROI, Return of the Jedi. In free Homeland Security information, Israel distributes biochemical war protection kits. The new Global War on Terror, GWOT, US targets American-born cleric in Yemen. 7.8 magnitude earthquake strikes Sumatra, Indonesia. NYPD shifting anti-terror cops to the streets. BioWatch program detects tularemia in Ohio. And man threatens to detonate bomb at Tulsa Airport. In related news, a new study I found out about on Slashdot claims that spending time looking at other sick people can help to make you healthier yourself. So, in case anyone is interested, I rounded up some photo cards of rare skin diseases. If you get a few minutes while you're at work today, have a look at some of these. Pretty gruesome. That one is from being bitten by a viper. Lucasfilm to license Star Wars animated sitcom, Yucks with Yoda? Should fans be worried? All I can know is that I am. I have tried my best at truth, yet everything else I've said is speculation. You be the judge. The keys still stick.